Hey guys, so I have another goodie box to share with you, and I think this is only the second goodie box I've ever received. They are a program that you can sign up for, and I will put their information down in the info box, and you receive free samples to try, and it's anything from food to supplements to beauty products. It's just a whole mix of stuff. And let's see, I see some edibles in here. This one is called Ubbles Vegetables Good Natured Selects. I've actually never heard of this brand or this product before. This must be that people are trying to promote their products through Goodie Box. Here is a BiPro Orange Protein Water with caffeine. It says 0 fat, 0 sugar, 0 carbs. Wow. But yet it has protein in it. So that's like a good sports drink, I guess, because you're getting the protein that you need, but without all the sugars and stuff that you usually find in some of the other sports drinks. I'll be interested to see how that tastes. And another edible down here on the bottom, these are ginger chews. 100% natural ginger chews with mango. I wonder how that tastes. I'm not really that into the ginger flavor, but I might try these and see what they're like. I know there's supposed to be some benefits to ginger. Oh, and this is Naps Short-Term Sleep Aid, all natural, wake up refreshed, non-habit forming, drug-free. So then what is the ingredient in here? It's chamomile extract, lemon balm, hibiscus flower extract. I don't know if that's, I wonder how effective that is. Let me know if you guys have tried this. And oh, and here's an awesome beauty sample. This is Angelou Naturals Renewal Face Cream. And they gave me 2 little single-use Probiotic Plus C Renewal Cream. And then some little mini things in here. What are these? Ooh, it looks like some teas. Some wipes. Okay, this is not edible. Wipes down there, wipes. And more tea, some digestive support, and then a few little, yeah, these are like little coupons for some of these products that are here at the bottom. So that was my goodie box, and I'm actually not too familiar with goodie boxes. I don't know if we all got the same box this month or if they just send out different products to different people, but if you received one, let me know what you got, and if you are interested in signing up to receive products, I will put their information down in the info box. Thanks for watching. Bye.